Welcome to the Little Beading Closet. I'm Sherry. In today's beading tutorial, you will learn how to make this half Tila link bracelet. It's quite simple and easy to do. You'll have so much fun picking out your seed bead colors and half Tila colors. Size 15 seed beads, size 11 seed beads. You'll also need size 8 seed beads and half Tila beads. In making today's bracelet, I used a total of 13 of the half Tila beads. And for a clasp, I'm going to be using this 4mm magnetic clasp. Go through your stash and find anything that you think would be appropriate or that you enjoy. I'll be making the bracelet using fireline and a 6-pound along with a size 12 beading needle. Begin with 7 feet of thread on your needle. Picking up one of your half Tila beads and bringing it down near the end of your thread, leave about an 8-inch tail to add the clasp later. Go ahead and needle into the other hole of the half Tila, picking up one size 8, one size 11, and one size 8. Needle back into the hole of your Tila opposite of what your thread is coming out of. You now have a right angle weave unit here, and we're going to retrace that one time. After retracing this unit, go ahead and step up into the size 11. Picking up 1 8, 1 11, and 1 8. Needle into the size 11 opposite from the side that your tail is. Pulling it together and retrace this one time. After retracing this unit, step up into the size 11 here on the end. Pick up one size 8, one of the half Tilas, and one more size 8. With these 3 on your needle, come back through your size 11 in the direction opposite of your tail. I'm going to go ahead and retrace this unit one time. After retracing this unit, I'm going to go ahead and needle back through my size 8 seed bead. Now I'm going to pick up one size 15 and come into the half Tila. Picking up one more size 15 and come into the next 8. Picking up 111 into the next size 8. Picking up 111 into the next size 8. Picking up 115 and coming through the half Tila bead. One more 15 into the size 8. 111 into the next size 8. 111 into the next size 8. To give these little connecting segments a really nice feel, I'm going to retrace this. I'm going to come through my 15 before the half Tila, through the half Tila, needle through all the beads here along the edge, and back through your half Tila. And needle through all the beads on the other edge and back through the half Tila. Now we're ready to step up into the outer hole of the half Tila bead and repeat the process. One size 8, 1 11, and 1 8 back through the half Tila. Retrace this unit one time and finish by exiting your size 11. Picking up one size 8, 1 11, and 1 8 and coming back through your size 11 seed bead. Retrace this one time until you're exiting the 11. Now that I'm exiting my size 11, I'll pick up 1 8, 1 half Tila, and 1 size 8 and needle back through the size 11 that my thread is exiting. I'm going to retrace this one more time until I'm exiting my size 8. Now that I'm exiting my size 8, I'll pick up one size 15 seed bead and come through my half Tila. One size 15 into the next 8. One 11 into the next 8. One size 11 seed bead into the next 8. One size 15 and through the half Tila. One more size 15 seed bead into the size 8. One size 11 into my next 8. One more size 11 and coming into the next 8 and the size 15 seed bead. Before moving on, come through your half Tila one more time. Needle through all these beads here along the edge, back through the half Tila, and needling through all the beads on the other edge. Coming back through the half Tila, stepping up into the outer hole of it, and I'm ready to continue. Now that I have enough of the half Tila links with this seed bead bracelet, I'm ready to add my clasp. I'm going to keep it very simple today by adding a small, strong magnetic clasp. So picking up 2 of the size 11 seed beads on my needle, I'm going to come back through my half Tila in the direction opposite of my tail. I'm then going to step up into one of the size 11 seed beads, pulling everything together. Picking up 2 more size 11 seed beads, I'm going to come back down into the size 11 here, pulling these down, getting them to sit on top of each other. Come back through my half Tila. Next, needle into both size 11s, picking up 2 more size 11 seed beads. I'm going to needle down my 2 size 11s on this side, through my half Tila, and then going to needle up the 3 size 11s here. I'm going to needle through my clasp, and if you were using a wire guard, you would be attaching it at this point. And coming back down the 3 size 11s on this side. And then I'm going to come back through my half Tila and retracing my thread path as many times as I can to make sure my clasp is nice and secure. I retraced that thread path quite a few times, and now I'm ready to finish off my thread. I'm just going to step back in the Tila and come into this first little connecting unit and retrace my right angle weave unit. Feel free to add a half hitch knot if you would like, and then trim off your thread. Go ahead and use your tail from the beginning to attach the other end of the clasp in the same way. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial on the half Tila link bracelet, and as always, I hope you have a beautiful day.